Alright, so I'm gonna go see if I can log myself an Earthcache today. Just went and visited Mount Helens, which was pretty darn amazing. So now I've got to hike up this trail here to see if I can get to the sediment retention pond. That's the Earthcache I'm gonna be looking for, and grab some information, snap a pic, and go from there. So I gotta do a little hike up here. Kind of want to hurry up. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm still heading down this trail to where the sediment retention pond is. It's pretty amazing little area here. But I'm still kind of in a hurry. Here, check this out. Thought I heard Bigfoot. There's something over there. I hope this is not like a 2-mile hike. I don't know how far it is. I think there's something over there. Okay, I'll be back. Oh, you guys, it's getting mossy around here. Check this out. It's super mossy. Moss on the trees. Okay, I gotta keep moving down this trail. Moss. Oh, this is quite the hike in here, and I got no reception. I don't know where I am. I'm hoping I'm going the right way though. Cute Creek. Still cruising along, and I don't know if I'm in the right area. I'm hoping I am. I don't know. Maybe it's over here. Check this out. I gotta hurry up. Now it's really ferny around here. Oh, snap. Dude. Another guardrail cache. I'm not even close to a guardrail. Where's there a guardrail? Is there a guardrail up here? It shows me next to a guardrail cache. Let's go see if I've made it to a guardrail cache. Hang on. Okay. I'm coming out of the woods now. That was Mount Helens right over there. Here's the Toutle River. Let's stroll down here. See what we can find. Oh, I think I'm in the right spot. Guardrail cache, though. Would you classify these as guardrails? Well, let's keep moving. I'm always a little more careful when I do that. Here's the Toutle River. I think I'm walking close to the dam. Dam should be right down here. My whole goal is to be able to log this Earthcache. Man, this is a long night to walk. Hopefully I can find it. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there to the sediment retention pool. Okay, here's what the sediment retention pool is. Or, sorry, sediment retention dam. Okay, Mount Helens, back over here. This is Toutle River. When Mount Helens erupted, it's sitting a little hard down the river. Well, now it continues to flow ash, where ash is carried, eroded down the river, and then it's deposited here. And they're stopping it here so that the ash doesn't clog up the rest of the river. That's the goal. Or make its way all the way down to the Columbia River and cause a problem. So that's that. So now I'm at my Earthcache. I made it. Now I just gotta get some information. See if I can walk out on this little platform right here. Okay, this is the dam. I'm gonna write down the dam information and score myself an Earthcache. So thanks for coming along on this sediment dam adventure. And I will see you guys later. Make sure you subscribe. And you know what? Just maybe I'll find myself a geocache to log before I head out of here. See you guys later. All right, so as I'm searching down for this sediment retention bond geocache, Earthcache, I found myself a sweet old Earthcache. Oh yeah, right along here. So I'm gonna go and sign this this Earthcache and be on my way. Man, I'm getting these all mixed up now. I'm gonna sign this geocache and be on my way. Again, hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe right up there in the corner, and I'll see you on my next adventure.